Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now click open and then click continue, and here you can choose your default browser, or you can just click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now, and you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again. And now you can choose your theme, or you can just click save and continue, and here you can pick your toggle placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.